Hi friends, good evening. Hoping and expecting all are safe and fine. So today's topic I'm going to select that ma'am exams will conduct or not. So I'm getting many questions regarding this. So I'm going to conduct this. Just I will tell you what is the important part and what we have to do now at this time. So let us start. Before that, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel, that is SEM will leave and more update. Click on bell icon so you'll get the upcoming videos. So chalo, let us start. Many students, they are messaging me that okay, we'll start to discuss the study level and whatever the things, sharing their documents and all. At the last time, at the last message, they will message me one important message that ma'am, the exams will conduct or not. So at this point, I'll get many questions in the mind that why these students are asking such kind of a questions. Already all are expecting the postpone the exams. Already institute have supported it is postponed. Now again you are expecting the exams will conduct or not. There is a reasons why you are asking, because outside there is a pandemic, lot of problems are going on. But till why you want this kind of a questions, why you are distracting your mind from yourself. Instead of that, you can sit and study. See, this is pandemic is critical. June, July, this month it is a heavy in India because we are in the fourth stage. And जो government data दिखा रहा है, they are hiding actually, because all over they are showing something, death rate is less, but they are hiding. It is not the true. There are true data are different. So it's a dangerous only, and it is a pandemic only. So please, first, instead of roaming outside or becoming unsafe, you can sit and study. You can invest your this time to study and education, because many of YouTubes I used to see the experts what they will tell about this time, what we can do. We can do business, we can do job, we can do study. So all experts, they are telling most probably be safe and sit and invest your time to education and learning something, because this is the best time. We won't get, might be this year we will suffer like this, but corona won't go. It is a virus and it won't go, and it till now didn't get vaccine, so it has this problem. So best, we are professionals, CMAs who are studying all, this is the best opportunity to utilize this, because this time we won't get. Next time again December what will come we don't know. Again June what will happen we don't know, because each and every year something will come. So instead of wasting your time asking ma'am exam will conduct or not, see, I'm not right person to tell you exam will conduct or not, because this question based on the institute what they will decide, the possibilities are might be they won't conduct or it will be dragged to December. But I am not going to tell 100% sure it will be happen, because situations are like that. June and July, the situations are difficult. After some days you cannot go out also, the situation will come that until unless vaccination. Even the situation is critical for at present poor, but after some days it is very difficult to mid-level people also. So please, instead of asking question, watching unnecessary news like हाँ यहाँ पे ये हुआ, वहाँ पे ये हुआ, इतने केस बढ़ रहे हैं, इतने हाँ already बढ़ रहा है, already it is growing. So what we can do? We can't do anything. We are nothing. We have to sit watching news and taking tension. Instead of that, you should sit with your studies and invest your time. See, you don't pressurize yourself. Whatever will happen. See, life is the first priority. Exam is the next priority. Because जब तक जिंदा है तब तक ही कुछ कर पाएंगे. Otherwise we can't do anything. So first, you be safe. Instead of roaming outside, instead of doing gossips and all, you have good time, so utilize it to investing your time into studies, because a time important day already we got postponed. If they are conducted, fine. If not conducted, also fine. It will be help you for December also, so no need to worry. And instead of sitting and gossiping and trolling, instead of that, sit and study. Make your time part to part and study it. If you are feeling bored, if you are feeling distracted, go and watch the positive videos which will inspire you, instead of seeing negative and which will make you down. Please don't see such kind of videos. See the positive videos. Do some exercise, yoga, meditation, which will make you positive. Discuss with your good friends, not who will make you fear or something. Please sit and invest your time. Study से bore हो रहा है तो go and watch some comedy movies which will make you happy, instead of watching unnecessary news and which will create fear. So this is my advice. Please don't sit and ask the questions, ma'am exam will conduct or not, this whatever happen let it be, because We have to pass the time. This is the critical situation because we never seen such situation in our life. This is the first time whatever all are facing, and it is difficult for India because we don't have proper equipments and anything, so it is the very difficult to India. So instead of fearing and seeing and discussing, it is a waste of time. Instead of that, just sit, study, and make yourself positive. How much you can invest on your studies. Don't take pressure, tension, because our pressure and tension nothing going to help for anybody. It will destroy us only. So better you sit and study. So don't discuss unnecessary things. If exam conduct ho ya na ho, we'll update all the things, because institute updates we are seeing each and every day, whatever the connections and whatever updates we are updating. So no need to worry about that. I will tell you how much you are able to study. Sit and study, make yourself positive and give your best. At this present this situation, what we can do, you can do that all. Instead of simply wasting time for something else, discussing something else, utilize it better, because time, if time gone, it won't come back. Money will come back. Life and time, we cannot recover it. So please utilize it and study properly. If you have any doubt or any queries, please keep message and be positive, be safe, take care. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.